A half teaspoon mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 medium-size onion chopped.
Subscribe.
Green chili chopped. 1 medium-sized tomato. 3 to 4 clove of garlic. 1 cup boiled sweet corn. 1 capsicum chopped. A half teaspoon black pepper powder. A half teaspoon oregano. A half teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. 1 teaspoon amchur powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Salt as per taste.
Subscribe.
4 medium-sized boiled and mashed potato. Hara dhanaya. 2 cheese cubes.
Subscribe.
A half teaspoon black pepper powder. 2 tablespoon corn flour. A half teaspoon salt. Some water.
Subscribe.
Dip in corn flour mixture, then in breadcrumbs as shown. Fry on medium to high flame.
Subscribe.
Serve and enjoy.
Subscribe. Like, comment, share.